In this video, we'll be exploring what you can export to the US. So what does US import? You know, a number of people always looking for opportunities around the world and trying to explore those opportunities as much as they can. So in the series of video I'll be doing from this channel, I'll be looking at the top importers in the world. You know, you're an exporter, right? And you're going to be shipping product to a particular country. So the question we are asking is, what does these countries import? And I will be looking at the top importers in the world. The largest importers in the world is United States. And the import of United States in 2022 is $3.12 trillion. $3.12 trillion. So we'll be digging deep in this conversation and looking at what are those things that the United States import? What are those things that the United States import? Now, US also import paper products. And US is spending $33.7 billion to import different kinds of paper products. What are the paper products that US import? Paper container made of paper. That's paper container, sulfate chemical wood pulp, kaolin coated paper, toilet paper, brochures, shaped paper, newsprint. Paper container is 12.2%. Sulfate chemical wood pulp is 11.3%. Kaolin coated paper is 10.4%. Toilet paper is 9.2%. Brochure, 7.38%. Shaped paper, 6.27%. Cellulose fiber paper, 5.54%. Newsprint, that's for printing of newspaper, 5.34%. Other printed materials, 5.38%. Uncoated paper, 4%. Craft paper, 2.63%. Children picture book, 1.63%. Tissue paper, 1.61%. Paper labels, 1.51%. Other coated paper, 3.31%. Paper notebook, 3.34%. Postcard, 1.15%. I don't know which of these you're producing, but it's interesting to see that even letter stock is there, and a host of other documents are being imported by the US, and the total amount US is spending to import paper product is $33.7 billion. This is huge. $33.7 billion. That is what US is using to import different kinds of paper products.